Room tour. Queen size bed. Natoka tayo sa seniors room kaya may grills. It's our door, our cabinet, personal ref, TV, working area. Yan yung ating ano. Then there's the pool downstairs. And nagsiswim. Want to relax. Nag-pool tayo. Want to have a relaxing night. That's our pool. This is our room. Here's the bathroom.